Okay, you guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can go through a drive-thru and order something. So drive-thrus are very common in North America. Usually you use a drive-thru for fast food, or you can order stuff at a coffee shop. So I'm not really hungry right now, but I want to have something to drink. So I'm going to go through the drive-thru and order a coffee. So I'm going to use the phrase, "Can I get a," and then the item that I'm ordering. All right, so now I'm waiting in line at the drive-thru. So the great thing about a drive-thru is they're usually open, or some restaurants are open 24 hours. So you can go virtually any time during the day or night and get stuff. So now it's almost my turn at the drive-thru. I'm now approaching the menu, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to obviously stop the car, and then I'll lower the windows or open the windows and speak to the worker and place my order. So there's the menu. So it can be a little bit intimidating because you have to go through the drive-thru pretty quickly, and if you are fairly new at speaking English, there might be some things that you don't understand. All right, so now I'm going to give my order.
Welcome to McDonald's, how can I help you?
Hi there, can I please have a medium coffee with cream?
One cream?
Yes.
Anything else?
Nope, that's it.
Okay, next window, please.
Thank you. So sometimes that can happen where the employee doesn't actually repeat your order and doesn't actually tell you how much your order costs, but you'll find out when you get to the next window. So if you're new to Canada and you go to a fast food restaurant and someone speaks like that and you don't really understand them, you could ask them, "Could you repeat that?" Or you could say, "I'm sorry, I don't understand. Can you say that again?" So I'm next in line to pay for my order. The employee is going to say what the bill is, or they're going to tell me how much my order costs. And if it sounds right, I'll just go ahead and tap my credit card. So now I'm pulling up to the first window and I'm going to pay for my order.
A meal comes with medium fries and a drink. Oh. Oh, ice cream cone, sure. Anything else? Ice cream.
Thank you. So I've paid for my order and now I'm just waiting in line to go to the next window where I'm going to pick up my order and then I get to drive home. So at most fast food drive-thrus, there will be two windows. At the first one, you pay for your order, and then at the second one, you pick up your order. Okay, so I'm next in line to pick up my order. So I'm going to open the window. They're going to hand me my items, and then I can just say thank you, and I'm done.
Hi, medium coffee, one cream.
Perfect.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
You're perfect too.
All right, so that's it. That's how you go through a drive-thru and order something in English. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you aren't a subscriber yet, please hit the subscribe button. See you next time.